getting better rates from recycle companies. Next, please. These are simple waste which comes out of households daily. But in order to make it a mass movement and cover 6 lakhs homes in Ahmedabad, we currently have been given just 2 wards. One ward is Jodhpur, another is Dudeshwar ward. But there are 64 such wards in Ahmedabad, and if we have to reach to every household, it means a lot of investments. It means a lot of people actually. So then we thought that okay, this pilot has given us the results. That okay, what would be the investments desired to run it basically, and that the challenge was to run it in a viable manner, so that we have not been receiving grants. We are doing it from our own money. So we have to see, ultimately we see this project as an investment proposition, and then we should be able to recover that. So with this all thing in background, we thought of involving people who are already into waste management. One is the rag pickers and building and house sweeping and staff cleaners, because they also somehow feel ownership on all the waste which comes out of a society. We are trying to involve them also now. We are also trying to create alliances with these rag pickers group, so that we can. What is the life of a rag picker? He roams around every day, very early morning, some 10, 8 kilometers to find waste. And if we implement our municipality laws little more strictly, what we'll see that after some time there won't be much waste lying on the road. So where will these people get their waste and quantities? Of course, already it has gone down now, so they're already complaining. So what we are trying to do for them, that can we connect these rag pickers with these housing societies? Anyways, people are not interested in money, because 2 rupees a kg is not a very big amount. That was offered just to make people realize that any waste has got some value. And when we put some value on waste, normally people do not throw it away, though it is small in quantity. This is our program now. We are going to give this color to our project now. Respect for rag pickers. These kind of tools we are trying to get for them. And then advantage would be, of course, for the local bodies like municipal corporation, because they will require less. They would be able to save money actually by reducing the amount of waste which would be disposed of. Of course, reducing the impact on environment, because we will be able to recycle more waste, and that will definitely lessen the burden on natural virgin resources. And then, yes, of course, creating clean and green surrounding, helping meet growing demand of raw material by our own Indian recycling industry. And yes, giving them a better working opportunity for these people from these informal sectors. Next, please. So we are still into the process. We are trying to create it as a sustainable business model, and we would like to run this project with the efficiency of a private business entity. But anyways, we are a private business entity. And please come back again. And then we would like to create and share value like in social organization, where the benefit would go to these very people who are at the lowest strata of the society, and then we are solving problem for all the stakeholders, industries, normal general public, city civic agencies, for business people. Next, please. We see that the kind of investment we require to cover this whole city, it is actually a very big requirement, and we are still, I am personally scouting for funds so that we can run it and we can cover the whole city. Next, please. This is my contact detail. We would welcome anyone for any kind of consultation on this project. And if we also, we would welcome your inquiries if you want to start this program and within your own locality. And this is free of cost. We do not charge anybody, rather we give money. We also give free our bags, which you can keep in your households to collect your dry recyclable waste in separate that bag. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Kishore. We all wish you here the very best for your venture.